Share Your Food Ways is all about the cultural context around food. Today we have the lovely Maha, who's going to be showing us a delicious Middle Eastern dish. Maha, what are we making today?
I'm going to be making lentils and rice. In Arabic, it's called Mujadarah. Well, my mother used to say Mujadarah. She would say, come on, I'm making Mujadarah. Come and eat. And we would go eat. For this recipe, you will need lentils, salt and pepper, rice, cumin, onions, and olive oil. Before we start cooking, we want to rinse and soak the lentils for a few minutes and then drain them. Grab a pot with 6 cups of water and pour the lentils into the pot. Add your salt and pepper to your liking. We're going to cook this uncovered over medium heat until the lentils are halfway cooked, which will take about 10 minutes. You'll be able to tell by how the lentils feel. Now you can add your rice and cumin. We're going to cover the pot, lower the heat, and let this cook until the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. Be sure to check the cooking time on the rice package you'll be using. While we wait for the rice mixture to finish, let's fry the onions. Grab a pan, add some oil to it. Take your nicely chopped onion and slowly fry it until it's dark brown, kinda like this. We'll be tossing these on top of the lentils once that's done. For the tomato and cucumber salad, you're going to need plain yogurt, cucumbers, black pepper, lemon, salt, tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, and green olives. Toss in your peeled and diced cucumbers, diced tomatoes, add salt and pepper to taste, some minced garlic, olive oil, and freshly squeezed lemon. Now this is optional, but I really enjoy adding some green Spanish olives to this salad. And there you have it. Now we just put everything together.